everyone, Scrapper Brad here. So as you can see, I pulled out this washer here. Now I know I just did a washing machine teardown video last week, but I wanted to try an experiment. Since this is sort of similar to the washer I did last week, I want to see how long it actually takes me to tear this down without doing all the stuff I'd normally do, like move around the camera to do close-ups of like different screws I'm unscrewing or circuit boards I'm taking apart. So I just wanted to see how much extra time that doing all that type of filming adds to me actually taking this apart. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we're done taking apart this washer. All told, it took about 35 minutes. I did move the camera a little bit, as you could tell. The other washer took about 2 hours. So as you can see, it takes a lot less time to take something apart, for me anyway, when I'm not like having to focus on doing close-up shots and moving the camera to different angles and that. But that really doesn't bother me. I think I'm still going to do videos in that style. What really takes a lot of time is editing. Probably on average, my videos take me about 5 hours to edit, 5 to 6 hours to edit. But, you know, I don't mind doing that too. I just have to do it either early in the morning or late at night after the kids have gone to bed. This video may not take quite as long to edit, although it might, you know, just depending on how much I choose to do stop frames and all that. But either way, I enjoy taking these things apart. Now, before I get into showing you, going over the goodies and stuff that we found in this washer, I'd like to make this a tradition with my channel where I feature other YouTube channels that I find very helpful, entertaining, informative, you name it, with the scrapping. This next channel that I'd like to feature is one that I've been following for a while. And just like Push Dog Scrapper's channel, I found several other YouTubers through his channel. This YouTuber is very supportive of the scrapping community. Another thing I like about this YouTuber is he'll often scrap with his dad and his wife. My wife actually made a brief cameo in this video, but she told me I had to edit her out. So unfortunately, you won't get to meet her. I don't know if she'll ever let me introduce herself to you. So we'll see though. Again, back to this scrapper. He often goes scrapping with his dad, and if you've watched my videos, you'll see that sometimes my son will come out and scrap, and you know that creates a lot of good memories. Again, you may have guessed the scrapper already, and his name is Scrapman69. One of the first videos I watched of his was tearing down an AC unit, and I was doing some research how to tear down an AC unit. Across this video doing it, and I found it very helpful, so I've pretty much subscribed to his channel ever since. You know, if you watch his videos, you can tell he's a very friendly person, seems to enjoy life, seems to like people, and like I say, he's just very supportive of the scrapping community. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check out his channel and subscribe to it. So thanks, Scrapman69, for putting out a lot of good stuff and being so supportive of the scrapping community. Now let's get on to what we found in here. Like the last washer that I took apart, it's a newer model, so there's not a lot in here. The newer the model, the less you get. So I did get a lot of these wires, very thin wires, and I will take this outer coating off. We got the power cord, got this small motor, and then this little transformer. I found these two little solenoids, and I believe there is copper inside these. And I found this circuit board. It's got this nice little aluminum heatsink on it. It doesn't look like extruded, so I think it would just go in as clean aluminum. But I think I might turn this in as a high-grade board. I think there are some little gold platings on this, so I'll just turn it in as a high-grade board at my scrapyard. They pay a good price for that. And then we got this motor. I'm actually kind of impressed with the size of this motor. I haven't scratched it yet to see if it's copper or aluminum windings. The casings here are definitely cast aluminum, and it is pretty heavy. It's probably, if I had to guess, anywhere from 7 to 10 pounds. But let me go ahead and scratch it real quick to see if it's copper. No, that's good. I'll just throw it in with my aluminum motors. These, the weight on these builds up pretty fast. So. And in the meantime, if you made it this far, you're awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.